and welcome back to my channel. So today we got part 2 of the Jeffree Star mystery box unboxings for the holiday 2020 boxes. And I have the Supreme here to unbox with you guys. I did the other 3 versions in yesterday's video, the mini, the premium, and the deluxe. I mean, those 3 boxes had a lot of good stuff in it, so I'm very curious to see how this one is gonna be compared to those ones, because I'm like what else could they put in there? I don't know. I'm very curious to see what is gonna be inside of this box. But if you haven't already seen that video, I won't spoil anything. I'll put a link down below in the description box so you can head on over to that video after this one and check it out. P.S. There is a huge giveaway in that video, so make sure you really check that one out. But yeah, I'm really pumped about this. So this box, I mean, is huge. Let's quickly go over the deets about this one too. So let's see. This giant box, I got my notes here, cost 175 bucks. It was a very expensive mystery box in my opinion, but they do claim it's supposed to have a $300 value. It is also supposed to contain 10 items. Very curious to see what is gonna be in here. I am ready. Where's my scissors? Let's break into this puppy. So here we go, lots of fluff. Let's do this. I think I'm gonna get started with this one right here. And so it looks like we got ourselves a holiday themed sweater this time. Got pink Jeffree Star logo, and then it's got the candy cane design down the sleeves here, I think on, oh yeah, just the one side, and then the other side says Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Let me pop it on real quick. And here you can see the design a little bit better now that I'm wearing it. Nothing on the back is plain. I was kind of hoping that there was gonna be a new hoodie in the side of this box, but this was item number 1. Let's go into the box for our second, and it looks like we got some makeup here. And this is the Magic Star translucent setting powder. This is a really cool product to get inside the mystery box. I actually got this one back when it first launched along with a concealer, and I thought they were both really good. I've used them both up since then, so I no longer have it in the collection right now, and I'm thinking I want to save this one for a giveaway because I want someone else to be able to experience this powder as well. So I won't open this one up, but it is a really good product. But let's dive in for our third product here. And now we got ourselves a velour lip scrub. This one is in Blue Raspberry Sucker. Ooh, let me get into this one. Ooh, wow, that smells so good. I don't know, in case you guys want to see what it looks like on the inside. But man, that smells exactly like one of those blue raspberry lollipops. It smells so good. I never personally eat my lip scrubs, that's just not how I do it, but I love the scent of these ones. I just enjoy smelling it as I'm using it. And I mean, they also do work really well to exfoliate the lips. They don't just smell good, although I really want to eat it. And now on to number 4 in the box, and we got the glouse. This time in body count. And if you haven't seen my video from yesterday, you don't know that I started to call this collection the Ogre Collection because, you know, YouTube and their new rules of what you can't say. This is a part of the Ogre Collection. That's why it's got that rose gold packaging. And the packaging on the gloss itself has this nude top. Oh, how pretty is that? It looks like this one is the Extreme Shine formula. So it's got a bit more of a tint to the gloss than the other ones and a little bit more toned down on the sparkles, but still some sparkles in it. It's just not as glittery as the other ones. Yeah, I'm gonna try it on. Gonna wipe away what I got and plop it on. I have to say, I think the Extreme Shine formula out of those 2 formulas is my favorite. And that was our 4th item now, so we're rolling into our 5th. And it looks like we got a little skin frost here. We can't have a box and not have a highlighter. This one is in the shade Sarcophagus. Hold on, do I have this one? 1 second. I always like to check just to be sure, but it seems that I do not. Okay, so let's open this one and see how it looks. Looks like a really light gold highlighter Let's swatch it. Oh wow, what a wearable shade to get. I mean, I've gotten some crazy colors over the years. Like, these guys. That is pretty cool that it's a very wearable shade. I'm wondering if they're starting to put in more wearable shades, because that has been one of the biggest complaints I feel from a lot of people for the mystery boxes, that the colors are too wild. I mean, I personally don't mind the wild colors. You're signing up for a mystery box, you're gonna get what you're gonna get, especially when it comes to Jeffree Star mystery boxes. I mean, he has a lot of crazy out there colors, but I'm wondering if they're starting to switch into a little bit more wearable colors because of that, because definitely seems like it. And you know what, because I can't help it, let's just pop a little bit of highlighter on. I mean, I was already wearing some, but yeah, that's kind of difficult to tell. The other one's pretty blinding as well. Yeah, you can't really see that, but I tried. All right, on to number 6 in the box, and this looks like a fun item. This is one of the makeup bags. Yeah, it is. It's the large gold makeup bag. Or sorry, I think it's rose gold. It's hard to tell with my lighting, but I think it's rose gold. Haven't gotten one of these before. So here's what it looks like on the inside. Looks like you have 2 pockets on the side. And then up here we got a mesh liner, so you can put some stuff in there with a zipper. I feel like you could probably fit quite a bit of makeup in this actually. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, and it's got a little star logo here for the zipper. That's cute. It's got them on both sides actually. But I like that. Again, a nice change. I haven't seen a makeup bag in any of the mystery boxes before. I mean, maybe it's been in one, but I just haven't personally gotten one before. All right, and then now, let's grab this big pink box. Pretty sure this is a hand mirror. Let's see which one we got. Oh, we got a matching gold handle mirror to go along our gold, or rose gold, cosmetics bag. How cute, so shiny. Wow. I like that they kind of kept it with the same theme. If that was intentional, I like it. So nice item there. Definitely feels like this box, the Supreme, has a lot more accessories than the other 3 variations. And now we just got 3 more items in the box, and this one I feel like is a cool one. So we got the Velour Liquid Lipstick Mini Set Thread Collection. Ooh. I'm pretty sure this one came out with the Blood Sugar Collection. I wanna say, let me look at these colors real quick. So I was thinking I had a lot more of the colors that were inside this collection here, but apparently I don't. I only have Doll Parts and Watermelon Soda. And now I've gotten Unicorn Blood. This is technically my 3rd time. The first one I gave away, Curly really wanted it, so I gave her that color. The second one is actually in the giveaway for yesterday's video. So I think I'm gonna keep this one for myself now that it's fallen in my lap again. But I think I'm gonna remove the 2 shades that I already have untouched, and I'm gonna save those 2 for a giveaway. But let me swatch out this collection for you. I'm just gonna put these there for now. I can't help it. We gotta lip swatch real fast. I'll try to do this quick. As quick as you can go with 8 shades. So first up was Doll Parts. This was the shade that I already had. Second. This one is Calabasas. Third. This one is Wifey, and I love the shade. This one is super cute. Fourth up. This was Watermelon Soda, and the second one that I already had. A bit more of an adventurous color. Fifth. The shade Anna Nicole. This was more like an orangey red shade. Sixth. Here we got Prom Night, a very loud, in-your-face, hot pink. Seventh. This one was Red Rum, and these deeper, darker red shades, my favorite. And then finally, the last one. It's just such a pretty shade. That Unicorn Blood is my favorite. Excuse the lip line, by the way, it got a little bit messy here at the end. I just couldn't help it. I got really excited about this mini collection here, so I just wanted to swatch them out for you guys. But now, back into the box here, and let's grab this small little item here. I think this is actually one of our items. So it looks like we got a mini handheld mirror ornament, I think, for Christmas. Got the Jeffree Star logo in the back, if it'll ever focus on it. There we go. You can kind of see it. So it's a mini version of the pink handheld mirror, and it actually has a very good mirror in the front here. You could probably use this just going really close up. Which I actually believe there was a holiday item that was for sale this year, a collection of mini holiday ornaments. I'll see if I can find a picture and pop it up online. So they were actually selling these. Yeah, a bundle of 8 of these was selling for $32, and they're all the mini mirrors. So I'm guessing this is supposed to be like the holiday exclusive item that's supposed to be in the box, which I like this better than the previous year's stickers and pop sockets. I think this is a way cuter item. I kind of wish that this would have been a full set of them, kind of like how they were selling it. Just because it is the Supreme box, like the biggest box, the most expensive one, I kind of felt like a set maybe would have been a little bit better for this one. This being one whole item is kind of like, meh. But I think it's cuter than the stickers and the pop sockets. Anyways, so that was our 9th item. Let's go for our 10th here. And it looks like we got ourselves a palette of sorts. Oh, we got the Jawbreaker palette here. This is really awesome. So I did not get a repeating palette this year. I'm happy with that. So here we go. So fun and colorful in there. I managed to swatch the entire palette out on my arm. Woohoo! But man, is that colorful. So there's 24 shades in this palette, and we've got some mattes, we've got shimmers, metallics, and pressed pigments. I need to wash my arm real quick because I don't want that going everywhere. Although look at how fun and colorful my arm is. This is gonna be a really fun little palette to experiment with. It's so many colors in there. I am super inspired. I actually don't remember what the reviews were about this palette. I can't remember right now, but hopefully I like it. I mean, it looks really fun and colorful. But now that was it, you guys. Our whole Supreme mystery box has been unboxed. Based on my calculations here, which I had all of the items of the makeup stuff, I got all the values of those. The only ones that I'm a little unsure of what they are is this little makeup ornament and the hoodie here. I am not 100% sure on the price because they aren't on the website. I can only go based on what a average hoodie price is. And then this one I got a value based on what the ornament set was. And I could be off by a couple dollars, but based on that, I got $4 for this one if it was a part of the set. It may be more since it's on its own. And then this one, average price of the hoodie is 45 to 50 bucks. I went on the low end with 45, it's probably more, and I got 295 bucks in value, which, you know, depending on like the dollar or two on each of these items, I'm sure we'd hit that 300 value mark that they claim, since I can only really speculate on these two. But I mean, we are like at that $300 mark, which I always like to check that value just to make sure we are actually hitting it, because if they claim it, I want to make sure they're hitting it. But I do have to say, I think that they have really switched it up on us with these mystery boxes. I mean, these were totally different than some of the other ones in the past. I remember the Halloween mystery boxes, I was just kind of like, if you've gotten mystery boxes before, I would skip them because they're just repeating the same stuff over and over again. I had gotten the same palettes 3 different times, the blood sugar and the blue blood, each one of those 3 different times, and I was just kind of over it. Of course, I know not everybody's gonna be getting the mystery box every time, but you know, there are those repeat customers, and it was just kind of like, it would be nice if they switched it up a little bit. And I think they definitely did a complete 180 with these boxes, because I got no repeating items except from one lipstick, and that I think is a huge success. And these boxes were actually really fun, I have to admit. They were full of new stuff that I had not personally tried, so that made it really exciting for me. So let's hope they keep it going with these mystery boxes like this, because I am all for it. Let me know if you guys got any of the mystery boxes this time around down below in the comment section, and don't forget to head over to the part 1 of the mystery boxes so you can see the mini, the premium, and the deluxe being unboxed if you haven't already. And there is that giveaway that is going on inside that video as well, so make sure you enter to have a chance to win that box. And yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little bell button. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!